Hello and welcome to Veeniix RC. Today I've got something special for you. We got an unboxing video for my first sponsorship. Was contacted by a company called Veeniix, Veeniix RC. They got a hold of me, asked if they could send me an RC so I could do a little unboxing video and a little special on it. So here we go, let's get on with the unboxing here. Alright, check out this box. That's pretty cool looking. It says it's the Veeniix, Storm Master V997. This is kind of a tank machine that's supposed to shoot gel balls and move sideways and four-wheel steer and all kinds of crazy stuff. So I think we're going to have a good time with this. Let's get it unboxed. Okay, a few cuts with the knife. We got one end open here. Let's pull this thing out and have a look. Packaged well. Alright, here's our instruction book. Nobody needs those, right? I'll probably need those. Check this thing out. This is cool. Wow. There's our gun turret. It's supposed to be magnetic, so yeah, look at that. It just locks on. That's cool. What we got here? Specimen ball. There's our radio controller. Oh, gotta safety first, right? This must be ammunition, and my charging port is supposed to come with a couple of batteries, and it does. Check that out. That must be for loading the ammo. That looks like a funnel. That's ammo and a charging cord. We already saw that. Oh, and here's my two batteries. Cool. Alright guys, we got it out of the box. Looks like there's enough charge in the LiPo or whatever that thing is to make it run. We put some AA's. Takes 3 AA's in this controller. This is not a specimen bottle. I was joking. This is to hold all of your ammo. Each one of these packets holds 500 individual shots, which is kind of cool. So they're all supposed to go in here. And then there's a funnel. You just pop this port open, you put your funnel in there, and this guy just pours in there. So that's how you load this thing. But this guy is fully functional right out of the box. I got turret controls here. If I had some ammo, I'd let you have it. Alright guys, before we get this thing out at the park, we better learn a little bit about this controller because there's a lot of complicated stuff going on this thing. It's not your average RC that just has throttle and turn. So let's dig into this in the instruction book a little bit here. I've already done that, and I'll show you what some of these buttons mean, okay? So first of all, when the truck is powered on, tank, whatever you want to call this thing, it's powered on. You can see the lights on it already. But you'd power this controller on and it vibrates. Okay. Gives you a positive indication that it's on. Let's start all the way over here. This is high and low speed. This thing will run in low speed or high speed. And the speed control is over here on this button. This top button right here with the arrows on it. So watch as I push this button. It'll simulate changing to high and changing to low. Okay, got that? This button here turns on some music that it plays from the truck. It's on there, and then you can select. There we go. And then this one changes between the different songs. Off, and then a different song. Off, and then a different song, like 3 songs. Okay, that covers those buttons. This button here at the top of the circle with the arrows on it is a programming mode where you can hit that, you can tell it to do numerous actions, and then hit that again and it'll play them all back. I haven't messed with that, but that's what that one's all about. The VS here in the center is battle mode. So you can hit that guy. It gives you an indication of being in high speed here. and the button or the being from the truck tells you it's in battle mode. This is pretty cool. If you have two of these things, they have an infrared sensor right on the front of the machine here that detects the laser. So this button here, right here, this remaining button on this circle, turns the laser on. You can see that laser on there now. I'll turn it off, turn it back on. Okay. And if you have two of these things, you can do battle. It detects that laser if you get hit, and it starts to take away powers from your wheels. It takes 50% power from one of the front wheels the first time, 50% from the other front wheel the second time, and so on and so forth until this thing's dead in the water. And the controller, that's another reason why this controller vibrates, is every time you get hit, the controller vibrates and lets you know that you took a direct hit and that this thing is now lacking power. So battle mode sounds pretty cool if you have two of these. Let's move on to these others. This button here gets a little crazy. I'm going to move a thing or two off the bench because this is like a little donut turn. This guy here and that guy there. Watch this. Okay. That one spins it that way and this one spins it the other way. Try to keep it on the bench here. So that's how you turn this thing right there with those two. This, like I said, is the indication of your speed control, high and low. And then this guy here is your driving modes. You'll see the driving modes indicated over here on this button. 1, 2, and 3. I haven't played with those. We'll play with those at the park a little bit. Okay, and then this guy is your forward, backwards, side to side, and it moves sideways. I mean, absolutely sideways. Crazy, right? And then on this guy, it's your turret control. Left, right, up, and down. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can load this one-handed. I've put a few of they call these water bombs, in the old specimen tube. This is actually for holding your ammo. But it comes with a funnel, so you put this funnel in place. We'll load some of this stuff up and we'll take this over to the park today and have a little fun here. And I'm not gonna put a whole bunch of these in here. But man, they're bouncing everywhere. This funnel's not that effective. I have them all over my desk now. All right, that'll be enough that we can play and have a little fun. So let's go do that. from the battlefield with the Veeniix Storm Master. It's been fun to put this video together for you. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. I want to thank Veeniix for sponsoring this video and sending me this truck, and I thank y'all for watching.